I'm going to start with the first one, which is called Sokuhitsu, side brushing. So in Shodo, 3 fingertips from the sky and just lightly holding like so. And you don't have to twist your brush and wrist to be moving like this, like ice skating. Always keep the brush upright. So make sure the armpit, elbow, and the wrist are totally light and free from any tension. The first one, check the middle line just for the symmetrical balance. And you go in from the tip of the brush, 45-degree angle, and then take the contact with you sideways. And at the end, wait without the pressure or twist. Wait till the ink comes down and then leave. So you can check the angle here and the middle line. So now I'm showing you the direct brushing. It's called chokuhitsu in Japanese. So we begin with 45, same as the side brushing. And now the brush goes out from this diagonal angle. So the hair movement, the hair direction and the brush movement is in the parallel. And then pause. A quarter of the brush, a hair opens and create 45 and wait till the ink comes and then leave. So this area, the hair is totally closed. So the line is often thinner, more flexible and softer. And you can check the angle. You don't have to mark like this, but that's the diagonal angle and then middle line. So they are the basic foundational strokes in Shodo. And now I'm going to show you 2 of my original line exercises. So keep the brush always upright. So we start from the tip and the contact comes bigger. And now try to pull your energy up, 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 and then slowly going down. Make sure you don't put any extra pressure from your shoulder. Going up, 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 and then down, and then let it go. So, and you can practice thicker, longer visual rhythmic. That's also possible. So now I'm going to show you another practice. The movement is exactly like this, the first one, but we are going to do it with side brushing movement. So instead of direct, we go side 45 and then slowly going up And keep the side down. So your concentration is on the top line. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Domestika channel. So if you are interested in learning Shodo, please check out my online course.